Hello, coders. So let me show you a way in which there will be a phone number, and the phone number would be written in a plain text. I mean, in a plain number format, and the +91 would be added on the fly at one go. So how can we do that? So let me make the screen a bit bigger. For this particular video, I will be um, generating the name, and I won't be making the names just random names. So I will be generating some names, some random textual content. What I can do is that I can write equal to, and I can pass in a function, a row function, and then inside not row, this will be a card. So card or char, this function converts the ASCII value to the corresponding number, the ASCII value to the corresponding number to the alphabet. So I am passing in inside char a row function, and inside row I'll be passing in say A65. 65 to 90 is the range for caps A to Z, and 97 to 122 is the range for small hand letter A to Z. So let me close the braces. So char converts this. So row takes in value of A65. The next row adjacent to it, after it, will be A66. So likewise, char will be converting it into the ASCII, the corresponding ASCII value. So for 65 it is capital A, and for 66 it would be capital B, and likewise. So that's how it will work. Now let me press enter and drag all the way to some range of cells to populate some data, and I'll be having some phone numbers. It's a pretty, so for phone number also we can I have to type manually. So maybe 987. So let me make it a static one. Fine. So it's 888 uh 324 888 324 7922 7922. Fine. That is the phone number. So let me, okay, so already the formatting has been applied in here. So let me press Ctrl minus from my keyboard to delete whatever formatting I had earlier practiced on. Let me write phone and write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 5. That's 10 digit. Let me copy this whole of the phone number all the way across to the down, so up to 13. Now this particular video is based on the topic that someone has entered phone number in this way, and finally he has to put +91 to before in front of the number. And if you can easily assume that if it is a 50,000 record, it will be a tedious job to put manually +91 in front of all these numbers. What you can do is that you can select the range of cell, and you can right click and select this particular option, format cell, or you can alternatively press shortcut key from your keyboard, Ctrl+1, and then you need to go to custom, and under type you need to just simply write within quotation +91. So within quotation means that you are writing something, your own textual content, something you want to print, something, your own words. Those own words, those own text will be placed inside some double quotation, and followed by hash means whatever thing is present in those cells, hash, leave it as it is, and just with precede, precede those numbers with a +91, and there is a space as well. Now press OK. So +91 is being added to the phone number in front of you. So let me summarize what I did in this video. So I generated dynamically using some function. I generated ABCD, that is the alphabets of a English alphabet language. In English alphabets, I generated them dynamically using some function, and in front of the phone number which was in plus 9 was not being present in front of those number, and I did some cell formatting by which I added I added plus 91 in front of the number. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Happy coding guys, and thank you.